everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 449 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have such an interesting and exciting product to try out. So this is Eye Majic Instant Eyeshadow, and I just found this at the Dollar Tree. I went into the Dollar Tree per usual to get a card, and I end up spending over $20 in makeup. And I found this, it was almost kind of hidden. It was like on the very bottom shelf in the makeup section of the Dollar Tree, and there were only a few left. I did get this in, it says matte shades, and it's purple. I think they may have had one other color version left at my Dollar Tree, but I almost missed this, but I am so intrigued by it. So I've never tried anything like this. I've never even seen this before, but the fact that I found it at the Dollar Tree for only $1 is super exciting. So what this is, I was reading the box and it's pretty funny. It says, benefits of Eye Majic. Become your own makeup artist. Achieve perfect results instantly every time. We'll see if that's true. It says, longer lasting than conventional eyeshadow, giving you confidence. Create your own unique styles. Keep up to date with the latest fashions. Ideal for women of all ages and skin tones. No more stretching eyelids. Okay. Perfect for any occasion. It says hygienic and great for travel, which that's true. If you're just having individual eyeshadow sheets, very hygienic and easy to travel with. Contains 10 pairs of single-use Eye Majic applicators for $1. That seems like a pretty good deal. And then it gives instructions on the back here. So, it says shade 71. And this is paraben free. Okay, I just opened the box. Whoa. These are like more intense, heavy duty than I was expecting. I was honestly expecting just little thin sheets of paper. These are like thick styrofoam or something. Okay, so 2 in a pack. And this seriously is so sanitary. Okay, I'm gonna follow the directions. Step 1, close eyelid, then raise your eyebrow to give a flat surface for better application. Using both hands, hold the Eye Majic applicator firmly on the base of eyelid for approximately 4 seconds. That's pretty fast. While applying firm, comfortable pressure, slide the applicator across your eyelid in the appropriate direction to achieve a sharp look. Use the same applicator to blend if necessary. Okay. Yeah, it is styrofoam. So this is what it looks like. See how thick it is? It's got 3 colors. All right. I'm gonna close my eyelid and lift my eyebrow. Oh, and then I'm gonna press on and then slide it. Wow, that actually worked pretty well. I mean, let me do a zoomed in view. It's super messy, there's a lot of fallout underneath, but I mean, this color did pretty well. Okay, it says blend with the same applicator if necessary. Okay, all right, that's kind of working. It's pretty blendable, but oh, the fallout underneath is crazy. You would definitely need to do this before doing your face makeup. And it's hard to get the corners here. Let's see. Now that is not as terrible as I was expecting on the eyelid. The rest of it, I was not expecting that much of a mess. But here, that's how much is left. It says, for a different look, you can apply a second applicator of a different color over the existing eyeshadow to achieve a unique style. Interesting idea. I mean, the ombre effect actually looks pretty nice. I do like these colors. Let's see the texture. Ooh, lots of transfer, comes off pretty easily. But pretty good pigment. And that really was so quick to get some nice kind of blended eyeshadow on the eyelid. And I could very quickly just go in with a makeup wipe to clean up the rest of the shadow. So let me do that. I'm going in with an AOA Studio green tea makeup wipe. I really like these makeup wipes. Okay, so just clean this up. Something I did not do was prime my eyelid. And I'm gonna check if this creases. But first, for the fun of it, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye, because these are actually really fun to apply. Okay. Lift my eyebrow. Press it on my eyelid. Okay. Wait about 4 seconds. And then let's glide it across. I think I did a worse job on this eye. And like the colors are pretty uneven because look at how much of that light shade came out this time. Versus on this eye, there was barely any of that light shade and it looked more like a shimmer shade. Now on this eye, oh my gosh, this eye was kind of a disaster. That's the thing, like the eyes don't match at all. It's almost like these had different colors on them. Oh my gosh. I love the concept of this though. And it is fun, but it is messy. If the colors were the same, I feel like I could make this work. I would probably have to go in with a brush, touch up the blending, the crease, but the purple part, pretty wearable. I feel like I look kind of crazy right now. Okay, so there is a little bit of creasing. So I would recommend priming your eyelids before using this. But you know what? This was just fun. And that's the thing about makeup. It's fun. You can mess up, you can create weird looks, and then you just wipe it away so easily. If you make mistakes, you touch it up. I had a lot of fun trying these out, and I feel like I could make these work. I would need to do a little extra blending, maybe even incorporate some other colors, but they kind of work. And I wouldn't want to pay any more than $1 for these, but still. If you've tried them before, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts, or if you've tried any other eyeshadow hack type of products, especially ones that have worked out for you. Let me know about them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.